Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Welcome back to Phantom.Strategies. So want to make a review on Ripple to USD. Sorry I couldn't make any video reviews for the past couple of days. I've been on the road traveling, so I'm finally back and I wanted to do a quick video review on Ripple. So here it goes. Alright, so let's talk about Ripple. Let's do a quick recap on Ripple actually before we get it started. So if I'm looking at the Ripple to USD pair. I like looking at the USD pair because the Bitcoin pair, usually the price of Bitcoin fluctuates a lot, so it's kind of like it doesn't give you a really good gauge when you're looking at the charts. So it's better to look at the price with the USD with the calculations, and it gives you a better idea on the price level, targets, support and resistance, rather than looking it on the Bitcoin pair charts. Alright, so Ripple had an initial breakout back in December. It got a consolidation, then it broke out again, consolidation, broke out again, there more consolidation, and it went all the way up to $3.30. Alright, back in January, early January, when the overall market made the new high and everything was looking really rosy. Alright, and since then Ripple pretty much sold off with the overall market and came all the way down to 60 cents, tried to make a bounce again, went all the way to 119, and since then it was in this consolidation zone, almost like a falling wedge action, if you will. I covered this falling wedge action before, that it was in this falling wedge. Falling wedge is usually a pattern that is more bullish than bearish, and the reversal is the rising wedge, which is more bearish than it's bullish. Alright, so right now what we are seeing is like a nice U. We had almost like a W type of bottom, like double bottom right here on April 2nd and again on April 6th. So it created almost this double bottom, got a really nice support around that 45 cents, and then we broke the key resistance, which is around 55 cents. Had a nice uppick, consolidation, try to bounce, but it's right now is selling off a little bit with the overall market, but I think it does have some room to run when the market improves. Ripple has a room that it can go up to, in the near term it can easily go around 74 cents, and then the next target would be around 85-89 cents for Ripple. So what I'm gonna do is make this support resistance line, make them as a support line. So I'm gonna color coordinate, change this dotted line. As I have said it before, the blue is a support and the red ones are the resistance. Alright, so we have anything that is below of the price action will be support, anything over of the price action will be the resistance. Alright, so that's Ripple right now. Is trading at 66 cents. As I said, for near term it can easily go up to 73 cents. We have little resistance right now from the moving average, 50-day moving average, as well as the price point resistance around that 70 cents mark. But I think it has a room to run toward 84-85 cents in the near term, and then perhaps toward a dollar mark. Alright, let me just consolidate this chart a little bit more. The Ripple, the one thing that I really like about the Ripple is it's a little bit more mature project. What I mean by that is it's not a startup anymore. It's been tested. It's how the team behind Ripple is more mature, or they got more mature over the years, and it's more experienced team. And I wouldn't call it as a startup project. It's a pretty well established project, and they have a lot of pilot project and a lot of actual project going on with the money transfer companies like Western Union, so all those kind of companies are doing a lot of like projects with Ripple, and it does have a like a real world value. It's not something which is just like fictional. It does provide and it does solve the real world problems. So those are some good fundamental things behind Ripple, and it's one of those coins that, you know, I think have a really good, you know, value for long run, especially like, you know, when there's a lot of fees that are associated with money transfer from, like, let's say if you want to do money transfer from US to someone in UK, there is a fee associated with that. It's a time associated with that, and Ripple comes into that equation of solving that problem through blockchain. So it does solve that real world problem, and the cost associated with it, with that transaction, is minimal. So that's the value that's Ripple trying to provide. All right. So just to recap on the technicals, it's right now we created that double bottom in the early April, around April 1st, and then again on April 7th. Right now I think it's consolidation. Once it finishes this consolidation, it has a room to run toward first, like, you know, resistance will be around 75 cents, 74, 75 cents, and then again it's going to be around 85 cents, 85, 90 cents. So Ripple is one of those coins that I do like, and it does have a potential to make go toward its previous high if the overall market condition remains positive throughout this year. Okay, so that's pretty much on Ripple, guys. I just wanted to bring you this quick video update on the technicals on Ripple. It's been a while since I covered it, so hopefully this was a little bit helpful and give you a little more insight. If you, again, and when you are trading with this kind of coins, with kind of like, you know, in this kind of market, please make sure that, you know, you're never going all in. That's one thing I have been, like, you know, saying over and over again. Try to give yourself a little bit buffer room in case that things doesn't fall out the way that you were expecting. So it gives you a little more wiggle room in case when things doesn't really go according to the plan. All right. So that's all. I will do some altcoins hopefully today, and you know, get you covered a little bit more. Bitcoin is trading around 8,000. It's just consolidating, and I will do a morning video on Bitcoin soon. I've been just on road for the last few days, so I didn't have too much time to make any videos, but I will this week I will get back to normal. All right. Again, if you are new to the channel, please make sure to subscribe to the channel and hit those notifications and those bell icons so you can get this content right away. And if you think this is helping you with your trading, with your investing in crypto market, then do give me a thumbs up. That really do mean a lot. All right. So I will talk to you soon. Bye.